Abolia show kano ain tuntor na buton Harriet Apako nesida aponi itolo sitete koto malaro na Abolia show ko ibuga soroti. Samuel Okwale etutuoron kunuka Hanibo ko Kichinjaji Primary School ngesda buit on Mike ai telekar ke ei kopongol kwa pena lomunit kanu ai morkikina na jasi Abolia
yango kwape coach aboyanga lotong na kede katima soda anyun bonbe ajasi timunung na lo ajokuka ajiti mun mamara ba ajokuka nuka bon konya ajokuka loke seda konyo burawne por la lo si Abolia nerar bonbe chesa wan raja anyun ba Abolia na mwanjo bale buto siko chesulo tima ja sesene pole bola to rakona Abolia raja ito bola kona Abolia kitusoma cho yaun berene no migoloni are uni olemari o yauni no miare uni olemari osodi ngai choraki na Abolia kubombi borne pola kere ngeso ni alo sitara ututunga lu gogongo ka defense narai arabolo bolo nana dedenge no yangari se kopolo konya pointenari akasi so arai goal difference ngeso bui konai ngeso bui jeksa yangari kopolo.
William Mayanja, Loda Erai, Vice Technical, Uganda Handball Federation, Yeseke Ontebe, I Napeta Ngun, Nesi Epote, I Yatakit Alos Kangini Karu.
Harriet Apako Memorial Tournament, particularly from Soroti, because one, Harriet hailed from this area, and two, she did a lot of contribution to the game, and we believe that there are much more talent, many Harriets Apako in this area. So this tournament is for young players, for grassroots. It's a grassroots development program to give a chance to the young ones to play at a young stage. So we are putting a platform, and it's part of talent identification and grassroots development program.
Let's get it, keep on! Yes, let me go! Go! Arco! Hey, check!
Gabriel Esekukanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.
Arco! Hey, check!